Polska! Ach, jać. Pierdolę! Baba, kurwa! Oh no! Broken disc like a CD! Metal to metal! VD40! Best product! Oh, choose it in! Yeah! Like you do it at home! Yeah! Yeah! It's rusty, huh? We need a 10 Mercedes-Benz with an original part number. Yeah, beat it. This guy is married. Oh yes, perfect. This here. Like a new one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Perfect. Oh, metal to metal. A little bit better. Like new. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Daylight, best product. Like in the church. Special tool. Ein Kombikolben. Du liebst dieses Tool. Because it's a Kombikolben. Integrierte Feststellbremse. Erheblicher Mangel. Seitenteil neu. TÜV sagt nein. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes. New parts. Yeah. Old and broken. And new and big. Look at the difference. Amazing. This is trash. Oh yes. Ja. Oh. Fachgerecht und sachgerecht. Umgang mit AT-Teilen. Schön einfetten die Fotze. Passt. Important. 90 degrees. Oh yes.